So there's Taco Bell and Burger King, okay? You see
Turn
it?
right, then turn left.
We're trying to make this, okay? See ya. We'll see you guys later. Sonic guy. I'm looking at Sonic. That's a bunch of Sonics. Did you have any Sonics? Nope, okay, great. Check this out, you guys. All the toys is here. You see this? We're checking them out. That's a blind bag or something like that. Okay. Overwatch. That's a mystery Blizzard. I don't know. Super Mario Fame. More ideas. The cup. Okay, we have Yuck's candy. Look it up. We have that one. Woolly Pops. The football. I don't even know when we're gonna get, but we have Crusty Road. More egg surprises. All of the toys. There's Shopkins and there's Weddy and Bud. I got all the collections here. And there's Barney and Friends. All of this. And now all the toys is here. Thank you for coming. One more thing, you guys. And then we'll go. And there's Star Wars, and now that's it. Okay, we're all done. The toys is finally here. You may get it at 99 cents only stores. You may get that. Okay, mommy, we're done. We're done making the toys videos. Okay? We're done making toys videos, okay?
Okay. I want you to hold it.
Okay. I'm gonna hold it, okay?
This one, please. Sure. No. Hold it.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna go. Okay, mommy, we're gonna go, okay? Alright, let's go. Colgate? What other toothpaste? Check this out. You are gonna wear this hat. It can't fit me. How can I wear my hat when this fits me? You have something like that? We're taking more steps, then we find more toys at 99 cents only stores. You know the toys at 99 cents only stores did sell more prices, did you? We sold in the half. I can't find them. So yeah. Here he is. Star Wars. Firefly. You see this? We got all the questions of Star Wars. we're gonna get it. So 1, 2, and the second is gonna be the turn. Okay. Halloween stuffs again. That's a SpongeBob or something like that. Halloween just came over here, but I'm surprised. Check out the DVDs. Okay, so we have Tom and Jerry's, Samantha's, the Christmas theme, Meet the Sparks. Oh, the foyer, that's great. Until Baby. More movies and DVDs. Legos. We have a free copy of The Longest Week. Thankfully it's on Blu-ray, but I don't know actually. See ya. Okay, we're done. We're done. Pepsi, Coke, and Starbucks. Look at all the collections over here in that Starbucks. Ice filled it up with Starbucks. The Pepsi's, Mountain Dews, Dr. Peppers. And look at the Starbucks and more drinks. But I'm curious when I get surprised. Halloweens are drinks. Needs more Halloweens. But that's it. Okay, free copy of Paper Towns. Thankfully we released it on DVD, but I don't know actually. Free copy of Lego Vagina. Free copy, okay. A poison. Oh, a place at the table. Sounds great. You may get all of those. Meet the Spies. Okay, you guys, we're at Walmart right now, and you see all the gardens. Look, Mommy, we got pumpkins. Favorite pumpkins. Now we're gonna go to Walmart. Hold on, Mommy. It says, welcome to your Walmart. Okay, this is a Walmart store, so we're gonna go there. Okay, so this is the pizza sauce. You can see. Mommy, do you see the pizza slice? I gotta shop online from pizzas. Pizza big slice. I don't like that. I don't want to eat rigatons. Minnie Mae's pizza. Look at this. Pizza crust with Pillsbury. You see it? I gotta film this in the bowl. Put it on your fun mail. You see it on your fun mail? Let me take a picture of it. Look at all the ramens, you guys. Which all the ramens did you like, or cup noodles did you like? Comment down below. Percent Catone, I don't even know when we're gonna have all the ramen, but we're gonna look for 810. 810, the aisles over there. Walmart employees.
Come on.
That's it. We're gonna go. The mango CD of juice. Okay. Look, ramen cup. This is shrimp, or this is the shrimp flavor. Hot and spicy. I don't like spicy food. Shrimp is gonna be great than ramens and chicken flavors. Sorry, but we just go. Walmart Capital One. Wash cut all natural. NFL football. Right over there. Ready, set, football. You see this? NFL football is here with other football ideas. With other NFL
Wait, come here,
teams.
come here.
NFL teams here. Just here, I gotta see. NFL is all the beers. It's brought to you by Natural White. NFL needs more beers. Just kidding, I got some more. Look, Starbucks coffee. Dunkin' Donuts with other coffees, but we don't know. McDonald's McCafe.
Come on, let's go. We want to pay.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so we cannot even believe this. We just got kicked out at Walmart because the Red Box didn't offer anything, but we're sorry because we'll go to Red Box next time, okay? And now we're gonna offer
Give me
something.
that. Give me that.
We're gonna offer something to Red Box, okay? So you gotta chill, okay?
Come on.
When we get them something, okay? Hold on, mommy.
No, leave it alone.
Let me get Tic Tac and now we'll go. Okay, got my Tic Tac. Okay, let's go. We're driving home.
You're freaking TikTok.
I got my Tic Tac.
Where's it go, Tana? Let's go.
Okay. I got my Tic Tac. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna drive home right now. So we're gonna go home right now because we got Walmart ideas to begin with other people.
Yeah.
So right now we're gonna go home, okay?
Yeah.
So let's do this. See all those?
Apologize.
So yeah, you guys, we got the Tic Tac and all that's it. So we're gonna go. Let's begin.
It's not really good to go outside today because there's a bunch of people outside.
So yeah, you guys, there's Walgreens. I'm sorry. There's Walgreens in Royal. You see? What happened to Juan John's? Oh, New Places is right over there. 5 Stars Burgers. I remember that place, mommy.
Okay.
5 Stars Burgers, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I remember that place, okay?
Alright.
When I go there, okay? So thank you for building me a 5 Stars Burgers, okay?
Mm-hmm.
We like that place, okay? So we go there around every time when Gin and Jerry comes, okay? So I got film at Pizza Hut, okay? You guys can see. Okay guys, there's Pizza Hut in Royal, you see? There's Pizza Hut, mommy. You see Pizza Hut? Right over there. Pizza Hut. Right over there. I remember that place at Pizza Hut. So yeah.
God.
Okay, so there's all the place. Look at this hat. All the hats are here. Okay guys, so we're almost home right now because we're gonna carry some groceries and now we're gonna go there. So yeah, I think we're gonna remember that point in this video when we're gonna see, because you know what, we're trying to blend into this video and now something is going on my notifications into the garage door.
I just wish that freaking Mars is not there. God damn it.
Who laughed? Now you guys can see. Put down the fucking glass. Put down with the glass and get back in the house. What else wrong with you? You cannot be accepted when you on that. Oh, we have the office tag over here. Dunder Mifflin Supply. Oh, friends. Well, that's nice. You may grab your hoodies or something like this. We have a few of shirts, you guys, if you want to go grab it. Oh, Wicked Mori Fane. You see that? Wicked Mori Fane. Now let's go find more. Guys, check this out. The Big Bang Theory, the complete 12th and final season on DVD. That's great. Now we have the Blu-Ray on the Big Bang Theory. Yep, that's it. Hey guys, what's up? So today, nice weather coming out today, only 85 degrees again, because we're chilling out some weathers right now, because if you didn't see the video today, we're having this. So right now, we're gonna go for a ride right now because we're seeing a lot of cars over here, because the local cars has been parked in for the studio lights. Because
we're just gonna go here, okay?
Okay. So mommy, we're gonna go. Mommy.
Yeah.
What are you going?
We're gonna go here and we're gonna walk.
We're gonna walk over there and park? Okay. Did you remember this video when we filmed some hats in the Tapatia Market? I remember filming the video over here because we're trying to make a scene about those, okay?
Video of what? Here.
Video about this store. Mommy, listen. The video about this store when I filmed her. Okay?
You film it?
Yeah, I just filmed her. So, we need to go turn left, but we don't have any hats.
We just fucking park in here. Let's go by.
Okay, so we're gonna go right now. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so we're at Tapatia Market, fresh meat and turwa. You see this? Look, all the market stores. But the place has been filmed in for the place. So mommy, you see the place? It's right over there. So mommy, we have hats or we don't have hats? We don't have hats today? Okay, now we're going to the store. Oh, but white. The Bud White beer. Oh, the drinks, okay. Okay, so we're gonna go at the market right now because we're taking everybody's market. But let me show you something. So look. Okay, we have all that local stores that we have. Hey, mommy, we need to get yogurt. So, mommy, where's the yogurt?
No, you don't need the yogurt.
I will get the yogurt, okay? Look! A&W Diet Coke with Coca-Colas.
They have 7.
But you have something. So, Squirt and 7-Up. But the Diet A&W has it. Coca-Cola, Zill. You think when you taste it like it looks?
Do you want to get a Coke or a 7?
7-Up.
Oh, good. Are you going here? Okay.
Oh, sorry. But when we film at the store, okay? I'm not gonna put the phone down. I'm gonna film the store. When we film at the store. Just alright. Well, check this out, you guys. Choco syrup. Mr. Choco. He made it like 100 characters. But here she always make it, but Choco Coco. But I don't have any much stores when I find.
Juanito.
Sorry. Okay, there's lots of beers over there. So right now, we're gonna have all the beers. Hold on a second. Let me film the cereal. Okay guys, so we're gonna go pay right now because the soda and Red Bull is over there. But we're gonna go pay. Let me take a look at lots of stuff. Okay, so we have ramen, hot and spicy beef. Did you guys like this? Comment down below. But right now, you guys, we have something that we like. So we have strawberry, escape. I don't even know what they call it. Tisnet, more flavors, extra, more lots of candies, bars over here. So we have Tums. You think you had some Tums, but we have Tic Tac Fresh Mix. We have 2 of this. But we don't have it. But I'm filming this, okay? So we have extra and more. So we're gonna go pay and we're gonna leave. Simple ideas, we need something. Alright, let's go pay. Check this out, you guys. You guys can see lots of candy bars showing. Kinder Joy, just as sweet. You don't even know what other prices just came, but you may comment down below that you have it.
Any plastic bag?
Yeah.
Let me film at the donuts real quick. Check out the calories. You see all the calories of donuts? Few more donuts.
Stop doing that, kid.
We're filming something. And there's bananas and more.
I don't give a shit if you're filming.
I'm
right
filming
now. We're in
something,
the store.
okay? So here's the Callaway winner times. Get your free winners today. Let's walk the winners. But did you have something at the local store? You think you don't have it? Okay, we're leaving. Wait. You paying something? Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so we can't even believe this right now. We just got kicked out at Tapatia Market because we're gonna leave right now and then we're gonna go home because that store is right over there because we just parking for the places. But you don't have any places then. I had 300 places than we have. I'm gonna give for other places. That's why. Okay, so we're leaving at Tapatia Market. We're gonna go home because Metro PCS is right over there. So right now, comment down below, did you need any markets today? If you shop at the local markets, comment down below. But we're gonna tell everybody a secret when we're making more markets. Okay, so we're almost home right now. So we're gonna go park in through the car. So Cyan Corner Garage is right over there, and there's the Soul Trains. So we're gonna go park over here right now. Sorry for being late because the video has been parked in for the studio once. Okay, we're gonna go. You have something today? Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's go. We're done. You think the video is gonna be original for under age 16? But there's Cyan Corner Garage, and now that's it. The car is parked it, but I don't know. That's right. Okay, you got your market? Okay. Let's go. Okay, we're home right now. Now it's sport time for school tomorrow.